Hello guys, today I have the DJI Osmo Action 6 camera and I'm going to tell you how you can easily manage your ISO in your camera manually. At first, tap these two lines over here and tap Pro to enter the Pro mode. Tap, not this thing, wait a moment. Tap exposure, and as you can see here we do have the exposure and here we do have the ISO. When tapping manual we can change here the shutter speed and ISO. But wait a moment, manual here. And if you want to, apply the settings, tap this tick icon over here. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.